স্কুল মজায় মজায় একসাথে শিখি।
In the heart of a beautiful green forest, where the morning sun kissed every leaf, lived a clever little fox named Firoz.
But today, poor Firoz was very, very hungry. I must find something tasty to eat today.
He ran after rabbits, splashed in the river for fish, but no luck at all.
Just then, his friend Tooti flew in.
Firoz, you're looking thinner every day.
So Firoz walked, and walked, and walked some more. Until suddenly, he saw something magical.
Grapes! Juicy, sweet grapes!
He tried again, still too high. Firoz sat down. Maybe he wasn't tall enough.
But just then, his friends arrived.
Let's work together.
Mithu the monkey was the best climber of them all. But then, someone else appeared.
These grapes are mine!
We can share, and all be happy.
The crow thought and agreed.
Down came the juiciest grapes.
Everyone got a share.
And oh, how sweet they were!
They laughed and laughed until the sun began to set.
Patience and friendship are the sweetest fruits of all. The forest glowed in the golden light. Even the crow went home happy. And the friends went home, side by side.
Night fell, and stars danced above. Firoz's belly and heart were full.
Come to Coco School for more stories like this.